Hello, how are you doing? Today let's take a look at LeetCode programming problem number 647, palindromic substrings. So basically we are provided with an input string and we have to find all the substrings which are palindromic in that provided input string. And as we know, a palindromic substring is a string which is same if you reverse the order of characters in it. So I've taken an example in over here. Let's see how we can go about solving this. So to begin with, first of all, every single character in that input string is palindromic because like a single A reverse of a single A is also single A. So that is a palindromic string. So these are trivially all palindromes. Now the approach that we can take is that once we have a single character, we can expand the window in both the directions and see, like, when we are expanding, if we get the same character on both sides while expanding, so then it again remains to be a palindrome. So we start with each character which is trivially a palindrome and then start expanding the window. So like we start from, let's say, A, but over here we cannot expand because this is already the first character of the string, so nothing to do over here. Now when we come to the second A, we can expand like in this direction and in this direction. So we see that both the characters on either side are same, so this would also count as a palindrome. We cannot expand the window further because we have already reached the beginning of the input string, so we'll stop here. So then when we move to the next character, again we can expand. So like from this A we could go this way and this way, but these are not same, so this cannot be a palindrome. So this way we can keep on moving from character to character and then keep on expanding the window to figure out the palindromes. So these would provide me the odd palindromes of odd length. The second kind of palindromes are those which have an even length. So even length palindromes are something like this one. So AA is a palindrome and it is of length 2. So the way to find out the even length palindromes is similar to the way that we discussed earlier. Just the difference would be that the center from which we will start expanding would be a group of 2 characters instead of 1. So if, let's say, we start from the beginning of the string, and first of all we check whether this and the next character are the same. So whether these two are same. So yes, they are same. So now we can expand the window, but we cannot expand since this is the beginning of the string. So let's move forward. So now this and this character are also same. So can we expand? Yes. So we expand this way and this way, but over here it's A and here it is B. So this doesn't give us a palindrome. So we move forward. Now we check for A and B, this one. So but these two pair of characters are themselves not similar, so it cannot be center of a palindrome. So we'd ignore this. Then we'll come to BB, this group. So now this is this pair is of similar character, so it could give us a palindrome. So we start expanding in both the directions from this, and here we see that both the characters are same. So this also gives us a palindrome, which is ABBA. So this way we can figure out all the palindromes which may be of even length. So yeah, if you would want to check out the code solution for this problem, please check the link given in the description. Thank you.